Hi guys! Si Mister, hindi pa tapos and as usual, ang kalat-kalat pa ng aming kusina. And ako guys, wala akong masyadong ginawa today. Parang nagtatry lang ako na mag-edit. Ito na yung natapos ni Mister ngayong gabi and what time is it now, Han? I think 8 o'clock, ha? Ng gabi. Yeah. Si Mister ay, eto, nalagay niya na. Yan, dati andito, guys. Yan. And then, yung isa, andun dati yon. Ngayon, iniharap din niya para same sila na nakaganyan ba, guys. So, ayan si Mister. Busy-busy pa. Ang sipag ni Mister. Ako, ang ginawa ko lang ngayong maghapon, guys, ay nag-edit. Pero, hindi ko rin natapos. Si Mister ang naglagay ng music. And it's day 3, guys. Day 3. And better with the Yan. Yung freezer would be here, guys. Yan. Umaayos na ng konti ang aking kusina.
Getting richer.
Should I help you? Galing, you're so good. Ayan, si Mister. Doon, sabi ko, wag na lang niyang idikit sa may oven. Atras niya na lang dito.
Yeah, not like.
That is better. Mag-assist lang ako kay Mister. Kahit ang lubot.
Ik heb trouwens die ook gerepareerd, dat handvat. Soms.
Naku guys. Ayan na. Meron na kaming nalagay ni Mister na itim. And ayan, the second. Ito yung third, andito sa kabila. Ito yung nilalagay namin ni Mister. Foil, honey?
Yeah.
Foil, sort of. And, ayan, ilalagay namin ni Mister ito sa lahat ng red color na mga doors ng aming kitchen. So, para makita nyo, medyo siya, mahirap gawin. We are getting better with this kind of work. Napaka-sensitive, guys. So, ayan. Dating red, nilagyan namin ito. Yan ang solusyon. Instead na bumili ka ng another door,
Or another kitchen.
Another, how much would be per door?
Per door.
Yeah.
45 euros.
It's about 45 euros each doors. So now we bought this one. How much you pay for this one?
55 euros.
55 euros. And it should be enough
For
all the doors that we have. Good evening! Ang oras ngayon, I think, check ko muna. Check natin. 8 o'clock in the evening. And, tan 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 tan. Lahat sila ngayon ay itim na and taran! Ang ganda! Wow! Yun, hanggang sa taas.
Let's have a look if it fits.
Ano yan?
Perfectly.
Yan,
Very nice.
okay na siya. It's a lot of work.
Yeah.
Very heavy.
Still working.
Still working. So,
Hello guys. Guess what? I'm done with the kitchen. Finally.
yes. Finally, we're done with the restyling the kitchen. So, eto na. Ipapakita ni Mr. Ito yung pinaghirapan ni Mr. ng almost 2 weeks, huh?
Yeah, no, 1 week.
No. Not
2 weeks. Yeah,
2 weeks. The countertop? Countertop, right?
Countertop is done.
It's done. It's nice color. And yan, kung makikita
Fits
nyo.
nicely with the black.
So, nalinis na namin ngayon. And, yan. There, over there, at the end of the corner is the small refrigerator.
Freezer, actually.
Freezer. Yes, sorry.
No freezer for
And this one is
ourselves.
the fridge, small one. And this one is the dishwasher. And this is the sink. And this is all our, as you can see,
Stuff. Pans.
yeah, yes,
More
and
pans. Plates.
here is the plates,
And another one with plates.
and over there,
Stuff for baking.
baking, have a lot of
More stuff for baking.
yes, and this is
Then we have the
the oven.
oven.
It's fine, it's fine. The microwave, and the more
Some
stuff,
vases.
yeah.
Flowers. Cutlery. Nicely in its position. All the big knives and spoons and kitchen utensils. Foliums. Bags to put things in. And all the chopping boards.
And this is our table.
And the last
that's
one.
one there. It's all
All
the
the towels, tablecloths, things like that.
yeah.
And some extra forks and knives so if we have
And
a
this
lot
is
of
our table in the kitchen. So, ito yung aming table. So,
in
nice.
Christmas decoration, of
Yeah.
course, at
Nice
the moment.
and clean.
Oh, and I also
And-
changed this
Yeah,
this
ito.
one. This was before white, now
White.
it's nice and black, so
Yeah.
it fits a bit better